Hello guys, this is Palak and this is welcome back to our channel. So आज हम बनाएंगे कोल्ड पोर्सलिन क्ले, ये वाली। पिछली बार मैंने बहुत सारी गलतियां करी थी जब मैंने पहली बार ये क्ले बनाई थी, वो मैंने सारी पिछली वीडियो में डिस्कस कर ली हैं। कंसिडर वॉचिंग दैट वीडियो बिकॉज ताकि आप उन गलतियों को दोबारा रिपीट ना करो और एक बारी में अच्छी क्ले बना लो। So let's make this clay today. So firstly we need a container and spatula. Now we will add 1 cup of Fevicol and take this Fevicol MR only because this is the perfect glue for the clay. Now we will add 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 1 tablespoon vinegar and also add acrylic color. We will properly mix all the liquid ingredients and then take 1 cup of cornstarch and add little by little. Continue the process until you get fine paste. The consistency of your paste must look like this, not too thick or not too thin. So I used the boiler method here. But the mistake I did was that I took big utensil to boil the water and it was making the process very difficult and I was losing my patience. So take small utensil in which you can hold the container easily. I undercooked the clay, so to fix that we can add cornstarch while kneading it. I kneaded it properly. Cook your clay properly. My mistake got me so much of mess. And at the last, it passed the teardrop test. We will cover up the clay and store it in airtight container. And you can use the clay after 1 day. Look at the mess it created. I recommend you to use a waste plastic sheet which you can throw later to decrease your work. I got the scraper on my hand, also got my nail bent. So be very careful while making it. Bye bye guys, see you later.